Russia panic. U.S. finally tests the long-range anti-ship missile LRASM AGM-158C LRASM. What is the range of the LRASM missile? Can the F-35 carry LRASM? What is the most powerful anti-ship missile in the world? We will discuss everything in this video. Keep watching until it's finished. The AGM-158C LRASM long-range anti-ship missile is a stealth anti-ship cruise missile developed for the United States Air Force and United States Navy by the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA. The LRASM was intended to pioneer more sophisticated autonomous targeting capabilities than the U.S. Navy's current Harpoon anti-ship missile, which has been in service since 1977. The Navy was authorized by the Pentagon to put the LRASM into limited production as an operational weapon in February 2014 as an urgent capability stopgap solution to address range and survivability problems with the Harpoon and to prioritize defeating enemy warships, which has been neglected since the end of the Cold War but taken on importance with the modernization of the Chinese People's Liberation Army Navy. Sweden publicly expressed interest in the LRASM in response to concerns of Russian actions in Eastern Europe. The United Kingdom, Singapore, Canada, Australia, and Japan have also expressed interest in the missile. Competitors to Lockheed Martin protested the decision to award them a contract given the circumstances of selection and competition for the missile. The Navy responded by saying Lockheed's LRASM program was limited in scope. The decision to move ahead with them was made after an initial DARPA contract award, and that it was an urgent need to face future threats. In 2014, the Navy said it will hold a competition for the Offensive Anti-Surface Warfare OASW/Increment 2 anti-ship missile as a follow-on to LRASM to enter service in 2024. The OASW Increment 2 competition will be completely open and start by FY 2017. In August 2015, the missile was officially designated AGM-158C. It is expected the LRASM will compete against the Joint Kongsberg/Raytheon offering of the Joint Strike Missile for air launch needs and an upgraded Raytheon Tomahawk cruise missile for surface launch needs. Unlike current anti-ship missiles, the LRASM is expected to be capable of conducting autonomous targeting, relying on onboard targeting systems to independently acquire the target without the presence of prior precision intelligence or supporting services like global positioning, satellite navigation, and data links. These capabilities will enable positive target identification, precision engagement of moving ships, and establishment of initial target cueing in extremely hostile environments. The missile will be designed with countermeasures to evade hostile active defense systems. The program was initiated in 2009 and started along two different tracks. LRASM is a subsonic cruise missile based on Lockheed Martin's 500 NIM range AGM-158 JSSM-ER. Lockheed Martin was awarded initial development contracts. LRASM-B was planned to be a high-altitude supersonic missile along the lines of the Indo-Russian BrahMos, but it was canceled in January 2012. Captive carry flight tests of LRASM sensors began in May 2012. A missile prototype was planned to fly in early 2013, and the first canister launch was intended for end 2014. The U.S. State Department announced it had approved a possible foreign military sale to Australia of up to 200 LRASMs and related equipment for an estimated cost of $990 million. In July 2020, Australia announced that it was acquiring the LRASM for their F/A-18F Super Hornet fighters. What is the range of the LRASM missile? The high subsonic LRASM has a range of 300 nautical miles, 560 kilometers/350 miles, 4 times that of the Harpoon. The missile can be guided towards a target from a launch ship 200 nautical miles, 370 kilometers/230 miles away. Can the F-35 carry LRASM? LRASM missile, advanced long-range sea and land strike capabilities to the 5th-generation F-35 fleet, with initial fit checks completed and ongoing integration efforts. What is the most powerful anti-ship missile in the world? The most powerful anti-ship missile in the world today is AGM-158C LRASM. All content on the Angie Norman channel is provided for educational purposes. Thumbnails and titles are for illustration only. Thus, today's information, I hope it is useful and becomes knowledge for all of you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you again.